Good morning, guys. So, I am kind of not sounding great this morning, but I'm going to try to eat my breakfast. Andrew brought me breakfast before he went to work, and I'm going to try to eat and have some coffee. Hopefully I start perking up and feeling better. My stomach right now doesn't feel great, but I think that's just because I'm hungry. So I'm going to try to eat, and I'm making coffee. And I swear, I try to keep this counter really clean, but every time I make coffee, it makes a huge mess because of grinding the coffee beans. And Andrew printed me more of these, so I need to set those up too. Serious, what are you doing? He's playing with a piece of paper. Okay, so I got the clothes put away and I got here cleaned up. I do still need to do the floor in our bedroom, but that can wait. I'm watching the second debate. Gosh, it's the same as the first. It's just scary, guys. Like, I don't know what to do with it. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to work in a few minutes. Andrew's working and he is off a little early to go to his fire training tonight. It should be our Bible study night, but I'm not going to end up going because I won't be done at work in enough time to make it. And he can't go because he has to go to fire training instead. I will see you guys after work. Max, come on. Max, come here. Hi. I'm so impressed with myself. I already have the coffee set. And Andrew just got home. Here you go. Yay. And he made me something Halloween, and it's really cute. So I'm gonna show you. Da 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 da. It is so cute, and it even has a little lid. Trying to decide where to put it. But I also want to get an LED light to put inside so it lights it up really cool. But I want to put it somewhere visible, so I have to figure out where to put it. But it is so cute. Alright, he is watching Top Gear and eating his dinner. And I am going to go through my grandma's recipes and pick out some to try. I'm not showing you guys which ones I pick yet. You'll have to wait and see. But I think that's where I'm going to end this vlog for tonight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with everybody. If you are not already subscribed, click the screen and subscribe, and then you can see when the next video comes out. It should be tomorrow. And we will see you guys in that one. Say bye. Bye.